Let us introduce you to the Apex AP Trough Valve. The Apex AP Trough Valve is perfect for large and medium-sized troughs and is one of our most compact and cost-effective valves. The Apex AP Trough Valve has high flow rate, fills troughs fast and works from zero pressure. 2 sizes in one, 20mm and 25mm diameter, or 3/4 inch and 1 inch fittings ensures you get the right fit. Cord and nipple is included to allow the Apex AP Trough Valve to be installed so that it is submerged, out of sight, underwater, less risk of stock damage. A long tail version is also available for fitting to thin wall troughs. Benefits: the Apex AP Trough Valve has superior reliability due to having superior engineering standards from high-quality materials. Simple design, fewer moving parts, less to go wrong and easy to maintain. Reliability means peace of mind for farmers, less maintenance, less time spent fixing trough water flow problems. Innovative design. Apex Valve's unique design means fewer parts, fewer hassles, no fuss. Just fit and forget.